Hello students, I am Shubham Tiwari, your geography teacher, and we are on the third lecture, class 9th Geography NCERT. So let's start. In this video, we are going to talk about India and the world and India's neighbors. So, central location of India between the East and the West Asia. When we talk about the world, we have to know the specific location because in this chapter we talk about size and location. So central location of India is a very important, it's a strategic position. When we talk about central location, we find India is a southward extension of the Asian continent. The Trans-Indian Ocean routes which connects the countries of Europe in the west and the countries of East Asia. Like this is a very famous picture. You can see this is our India and connectivity in next slide. And one thing I want to add, connectivity because of strategic position of India. So there is a connectivity. You can see the oceanic routes like we have so many ports because our coastal line is a very long 7516.6 kilometer. So that's why when we talk about oceanic routes we have so many ports. They are going to connect Africa, Europe, West Asia, this portion, and East Asia, this portion. And of course, from South China Sea, we connect to Japan. So there's an information about Suez Canal. The Suez Canal is an artificial sea level waterway in Egypt connecting the Mediterranean Sea to the Red Sea. And Ferdinand de Lesseps, 17th November 1869, is the official date of opening the Suez Canal, and its length is only 193 kilometer. Okay, so this is a general picture of Suez Canal. You can see that this portion belongs to Suez Canal. This is Mediterranean Sea, and this is Red Sea. So Suez Canal is going to connect Mediterranean to Red Sea. Okay, further we talk about India's neighbors. So this is a very important map of India. You can see easily about India's neighbors. Okay, so the very first neighbor is Pakistan. Why not? And second is Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh. And uh, when we talk about Maldives and Sri Lanka, they are not making land boundaries with India, but they are also neighbors of India. So in this slide we talk about boundary or frontier. Like Bangladesh is the longest frontier with India, and when we talk about Afghanistan, the minimum 102 kilometers only, and when we talk about Bangladesh, approx 4,600 something kilometer. So they are neighbors of India, like adjacent countries of India. And there's a one information about provinces and princely state. So first thing I want to explain about province. Okay, so they generally ruled by British officials. Before 1947 there were two types of states in India. The first one is provinces and the second one is princely states. So provinces ruled by British officials, like appointed by viceroy and generals. But when we talk about princely states, they ruled by local hereditary rulers, like small kings. Okay, so this is general introduction about India's neighbors. In this in this slide I want to add one more thing. When we have Suez Canal, then there's a benefit, general benefit, uh, and it is a very important for the trade perspective. Since the opening of Suez Canal in 17th November 1869, India's distance from Europe has been reduced by 7,000 kilometers. Okay, so the distance is very important because we reduce 7,000 kilometers. So that's why the importance of Suez Canal is a very high. Thank you, students. Thank you so much.